Today we're going to look at how you will import your categories from PowerTeacher into Canvas this school year. It is slightly different, so I want to walk you through those steps. The first thing you need to do is to log into Canvas. You can get there by going to ClassLink or through your KCSD bookmarks. Once you log in, you're going to choose one of your courses that you are currently teaching. You need to verify over here on the right-hand side that your course is published. Once you've completed those steps, we can begin. We're going to come over to the left menu and we're going to choose Assignments. This teacher has already created or imported her majors and minors from a previous course. If this is your first time, you will come up to the plus group sign and you will type in major and you will give it a 60% weighting and you will press save. Since this teacher has done that, I'm going to click cancel. You will do that step again and repeat it for your minor category, which would be worth 40%, and then you would click save. This teacher already has her manually created major assignments and minor assignments with the appropriate weighting. Majors are worth 60%, minors are worth 40%. This matches the category totals in PowerTeacher. If you're unable to add your category totals, you can come to the three dots, go to Assignment Group Weights, and here, if you have not checked that box, you can check it and type in 60 to go with major and 40% for minor. And then don't forget to click Save. Now that we have that ready, we're going to come back to the three dots, and we are going to go to Sync SIS Categories. This is how we will import our categories from PowerTeacher this school year. As we roll through this process, you should see your major and your minor, the two categories that you have added to your course. And then we're going to click this arrow to open up major. Right now, this assignment group is unassociated, so we want to associate it with the major in PowerTeacher. When I choose the drop down, I'm going to make it match. Major here, major here. I'm going to do the same thing for minor. Now I'm going to double check that both of my categories are ready. Notice that it says one is changed and it gives me the symbol for PowerTeacher Pro. At the bottom, I'm going to click the Sync Categories button, which is blue. Notice they both say synchronized and I get a green check. I'm going to close this out and I'm going to come up to the top of my page and refresh. Now that I have refreshed my page, you will notice that we have the symbol with the piece of paper and the arrow showing that this category is imported from PowerTeacher Pro, and assignments that are posted in these categories will sync with PowerTeacher Pro at night. The other step is to come down your left menu, and you're going to come to the Grade Sync option. If you do not see the Grade Sync option, you may need to come down to Settings, go to your navigation, and make sure that if you have Grade Sync down below, that you drag it up to the top so that it is visible for you to access. Then you'll come down and click Save. Now that we have that ready to go, we're going to come back down to our left menu and we are going to choose Grade Sync. We're going to go from the History tab to the Utilities tab. So we're going to click on the second tab, Utilities, and where this little toggle button that says Nightly Sync is, I'm going to click it to turn it on. And from now on, every night, when I go back to the History tab, it will show that my assignments will be syncing at 4 a.m. And so each night, our grades that we have added and our assignments we have added will sync naturally every single night back to PowerSchool. It is our responsibility to double check those assignments throughout the school year and from month to month to verify that our category total weights match in PowerTeacher Pro and Canvas. But the work is done. If you have any questions or if you need any additional assistance, feel free to reach out to TIIS@kcsdschools.net. We're happy to help you in any way we can, and we hope you have a wonderful school year.